What's up, guys? Good to have you again. Good to have you again. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from? This is the Trading Assembly, and you know how we do it every night. Yeah, give me motivation. Mark your attendance, traders. Tell me how has your day been. Tell me how has your day been. It's another day to move the market. This is the Trading Assembly. I am trading binary options, and currently I am looking at Brent oil OTC charts. Yeah, so let's see if we can get any moves. Hafiz, good to see ya. Raphael, good to have you. Investor, good to see you all. Traders in the building. Tell me, how has your day been? How have you spent your day today? All right. This is say I keep a check. She was a papa, nevertheless. Tell me, guys, have you spent your day? You miss me. I miss you guys too. But here we are. We are gonna be moving the markets again. You know how we do it every single day. We show up. Consistency is key. Tell me, what have you been up to, guys? Raphael. It's only been 2 days, guys. She wanna ride like a cruise, and I'm not trying to lose. Then you left see red dot, unless I start fire. Alright, our first entry has moved well, guys. We put on a very nice bullish run here. Unless I start fire. Guys, I had a beautiful Sunday. Of course, I've been engaged the last 2 days. I was moving into a new city. Yeah, but besides that, I've been locked in. Tell me, guys, have you been fully locked in? Raphael, tell me, were you getting those pullback entries? Actually, guys, just tell me, how have you spent your Sunday? Were you spending it with your family? Oh my God, our cells are invalidated. Okay, let us add more cells here and see how it goes. I think you'll ever be too much, or you'll be left in the dust. And let us start fire. Sunflower. This is the Trading Assembly. Traders, feel free to ask any trading question. We are here to learn. And we are also catching up. My strategy is simple. It is pure price action. So all my entries I'm executing are based on that. Feel free to ask any trading question. Okay, let us watch out for more moves. Silverton, good to see ya. You can come get rich with us. You gon' eat or you gon' stop. Keep it certified, give it sin, I pay them not to rob. Pop out 2020 color, and I'm riding in the stock. Those people hate that I'm on top, I bulletproof the car. All the members make free bands, I pack live like they cracking cards. Don't know for a fact, I keep it really, still ain't take the chart. Why she talking crazy about me like I'm do more than my part? I can't play with my creation, give the world a mile of buzz. I can save it more than I just spend it, that's what I be on. I'm a human, I'm not perfect, I know sometimes I be wrong. How can this is a Trading Assembly, so if you can see me, you have already joined the live. Feel free to ask any trading question. We are here to learn. Yeah, ask any trading question. Rosario, good to see ya. And a wig fix. Oh my God. What happened here? Buyers played us. Oh my God. Raphael, you are busy with classes and you still got those fullback entries. I mean, that's how it should be. That's how it should be. Honestly, I really get so happy when you guys tell me you get on the market. I feel so happy because it's the best thing any trader can do is to show up in the market consistently. And when you're showing up, you have to be knowing what you're doing. So in short, you have to know, if I'm looking at the market, I have to be looking for something. You're not just looking at candles. You have to be fully locked in. If you're looking at candlestick patterns, you check where they are really making. You can really execute with candlestick patterns. She make sure she keep her nails done and the wig fixed. Bridget, good to see ya. Cameroon, good to have you. You like the new setup? Same. Same. Rue, good to see ya. Good to see ya, Rue. Guys, tell me, how have you been? Bridget, the minimum deposit for the donation, it is 400 USD. All you have to do is use the donation link down in the description. I'm already seeing guys are depositing, so yeah, you can join and you'll be part of the participants tonight. Did you move? Of course, guys. Yes, I changed cities. That's why you see this new setup. God, tell me guys, how have you been locking in? My strategy is price action, and in a few we are gonna get into the details of it. All you have to do is stay locked in. Switch your timing when I schedule's aligning. That's a sign that it's okay to finally tell the world that you are more than enough for me. Right here when you waking up. Oh my God, buyers are really onto something. Let us watch out and get another move. Pancakes, bacon, no J on the side. At your bag with extra clothes, your toothbrush and the Louis told love no swim. Please don't spam comments, Angel. Don't spam comments. You can just comment one thing and I'll surely get to you. Just wanna take some time to thank you and let you know just how you make me proud. The good times make up for the bad ones. I see you trying and I don't know how. You keep up with me when you're working, switch your timing. When our schedules aren't aligning, that's a sign that it's okay to finally tell the world. When it comes to trading, guys, and you're picking trading capital, you're supposed to pick capital that you can afford to lose. We all know trading is so risky, so whenever you're choosing to really start up trading, you have to pick up capital that you're willing to lose, because anything can happen in the market. Losses are part of this game, so you have to be knowing that. And we all know when it comes to trading, no one can limit you. Trading is a space that has so much freedom, so you can really pick the amount you want to start with. You can pick how you want to trade, which pairs to trade. What you have to know is to have the strategy, risk management, and market discipline, but no one is going to limit you. But when it comes to capital, you're supposed to start with capital that you're willing to lose, because trading is very risky. That is what you should consider always. Baby, lay on back and relax. Kick your pretty feet up on my dash. No need to go nowhere fast. Let's enjoy right here where we at. Who knows where this road is supposed to lead? We got nothing but time. As long as you're right here next to me, everything's gonna be alright. If it's meant to be, it'll be. Tell me, guys, share with me how have you spent your day today.
How have you spent your Sunday?
Won't you ride with me?
Ride with me, see where this thing goes.
If it's meant to be, it'll be. It'll be, baby, if it's meant to be.
I don't mean to be so uptight, but my heart's been hurt a couple times by a couple guys that didn't treat me right. I ain't gonna lie, cause I'm tired of the fake love. Show me what you're made of. Ted, good to see ya. Curious, good to have you.
Hold up, girl, don't you know you're beautiful? And it's easy to see. If it's meant to be, it'll be.
I am trading binary options, guys. I am trading binary option, and my strategy is simple. It is price action. When it comes to price action, you're just looking at the current market price movement, and you base on that to make your entry decisions. Yeah, and whenever I'm trading with price action, the things I look out for whenever I'm trading is you first understand the market condition you're dealing with. It is really important to know if you are in a bullish market, if you are in a bearish market, if you are in a sideways market. We all know we approach all those markets differently based on the structure it's giving you. The other thing I always look out for is market structure. When you understand market structure, it's going to show you the turning points in the market. As a price action trader, you all know our key areas are seen by the highs and the lows in the market, and it is only market structure that is going to be showing you that. What makes market structure valid is seeing a candle closing above after a break of structure, or a candle closing below after a break of structure in a bearish market.
Just for all the girls that's IMD,
EPE and GNT.
Just for all the girls that be living stress free. Just for all the girls on a mission like me. 2 steps ahead like C. Fit is infinity, I'm bad like Ree. I'm she, I don't need no key.
The indicator is Keltina channel, and I'm using it with its default setting. Guys, I have to tell you, I do not only execute with the indicator, I back it up with price action. That's how we've been moving every night. Did it on my own before I was famous. Schedule busy, I don't plan on changing.
I look amazing, look still ain't been nothing to play with. Get that money, sis. Keep them on their teeth. They were trying to press you, but you ain't pressed on it.
I'm way too far to be inside. I'm outside.
Having my own, booking my
Isabel, good to see ya. Feel free to ask any trading question. The indicator you're seeing, guys, it's Keltina channel, and it is, I'm using it with its default settings.
I'm very
Important.
How you calling me? It's like you know I'm 7 courses. This is for the girls getting money.
This is what
Girls who don't need no man. This is for the girls that love themselves. This is for all the girls that did it by themselves. This is for all the girls that's IMD.
There's a link in the description for the platform I'm using,
This is for all the girls on a mission like
and it is pocket options.
This for all the girls around the world. This is for the girls. This for all the girls around the world. Yeah. This is for the girls on the grind. This is for the girls that
Work
work
full
full time. This
time.
is for the self-made girls, yeah, the self-paid girls. Gotta never let them change your mind. Girls who fly, girls who thrive, living out dreams money just can't buy. If you question your why, you feeling defeat, you go look in the mirror, repeat after me.
I am humongous, I am resourceful, I am much better than
ever
everything
could be.
be.
I am the substance of everything hopeful. I am the proof of what's never been seen. I am so
Interesting. Looking beautiful today. Thank you, my darling. Traders, tell me, how have you spent your day today? Tell me, how have you spent your day today? Actually, Sundays, like I always tell you, are very good days to fully lock in. You back test your strategy without any. You back test your strategy so that when Monday starts, I know most traders don't like trading weekends, but here we take no day offs. Every day we trade. So, but if you are not really looking at the charts today, it is really nice if you lock in, you review your trading plan, you review your what you want to really achieve in the markets. You know, trading, it is a skill that you build, and actually also discipline. Market discipline is something that you build over time, so you have to put up some things that you do always, that way that they are going to guide your trading discipline. We all know it is so hard to really thrive in these markets if you lack market discipline. You could have the best strategy, but if your market discipline is not good, the market will still show you fire. So you can be using Sundays for that.
I know she doesn't miss me. So put on those shoes that I like, and we'll go and dance the night
The guy, you're on some other level these days, and congratulations, congratulations! I can see you really fully locked in, and I'm so glad you're able to share your experience with traders here. I know they are learning something. You know, if you are a trader and you see results from fellow traders, there's a way it keeps you moving, even on the days, even the days that you know it is not. You know, if it is working out for this trader, even it's going to be working out. So, the guy keep sharing your experience. That's good. That's good, by the way. I'm proud of you. Today you had clean results, no loss. These days you scare yourself. Yeah, you're fully locked in, I can tell. That is the beauty about consistency. Carl, good to see you. Darren, good to see ya. Cherry, yes, my candlesticks are 5 seconds and my expiration time is 15 seconds. You only live once, so I wanna have some fun. Hopping away we go and spend all my money on you, baby. And tonight. Raphael is saying my experience is full of kicks of the market. Honestly, one thing I know about trading, we have days, especially when you're starting out, it's never going to be sometimes easy. But the more you really last in the market and the more you fully lock in, things are going to start working out. That is the beauty of consistency, and that's why I'm always encouraging you guys to be consistent, because that's what really happens when you really fully lock in and you're showing up consistently. Yes, there are days that are going to be so harsh. It is but as long as you lock in and you want to go past those bad days, good days are also gonna be showing up. Like you're saying, yeah, actually, guys, from my own experience as a trader also, I used to have those days, like, you know, I feel like every trader, okay, not every trader, but most traders always ask me, why is it that every time I execute, like, let me say now I'm executing sales, but the market immediately goes against me, and when I execute buys, the market sells. But you know, at first when you are in that stage, it's going to be, you'll be thinking that everyone is fighting you, but the more you refine your strategy and the more you get better at trading, you actually, those are the mistakes you look back and you're like, why did I think I was right, but we were actually wrong most of the time. You could find most of the time maybe it was just an early entry, delayed entry. You are executing on a very wrong zone. Like I always said, you watch out candlestick momentums in the areas, because yes, the market could have just taken out, maybe given you a block of structure and you are really anticipating a pullback. But you see candles that are appearing in that zone, they are very tiny with long wicks. small bodies and you execute based on that, thinking that it's going to be a reversal, but actually the market doesn't reverse and it continues with its trend. So if you are a beginner, those are things you may not be seeing, but the more you look in, because the more mistakes we take as traders, the more losses we take as traders, you're really learning something. Because if you take a crazy loss in a zone, you can, and you learn your lesson, you can never make that mistake again. So fully locking in is it. It's the way to go. You know I love you, baby. Lay my head upon your chest, fall asleep to your heartbeat. Baby, get undressed, lay your wallet and your car keys down, down. It's about to go down, down. No. Simple and sweet, sipping on a bottle at the beach. Even if it's only you and me, faded, no shaming. Singing every love song, getting all the words simple and sweet. Put my phone on silent, let it ring. Show you what you're Rod, good to see ya. No. Of course, there are those losses we all don't forget from the markets, guys. Those losses that really do hurt, no one forgets about them. It takes some time. It takes some time, to be honest. Even here, I still have memories of some crazy losses I took from the markets a few years back. But anyways, actually, how you remember them, it's when you execute on the same setup and you do realize, oh, maybe you are going to make the same mistake, and you do remember what happened to you and you just change your mind. Home is where the heart is. Rod, I'm doing well. Tell me, how have you spent your Sunday? How have you spent your week? Were you really looking at your chart? The guy is sharing, I learned from my losses. That is true, honestly. Actually, every time you take losses, you ask yourself what really happened there, especially those crazy losses that end up maybe taking a bigger percentage of your account, or that you find yourself you blew in that zone, like you are, oh, of course you risked so much, but still you blew in that zone. Those such are the losses that are the ones to teach you so that you don't make them again. For the rumors are true. Godwin, good to see ya. Joe, good to have you. Elga, good to see ya. Rod, you are celebrating your granddaughter's birthday. That's nice. That's nice. That's nice. Hope you had a great time. I'll be with you. Okay, let us see if we can get any moves. Seems like buyers are really onto something here. The rumors are true. Okay. Someone was asking, how do you know to take an entry? To know when to take an entry, of course, it follows in a certain order. You do not just wake up and you just execute because you're seeing a green candle and you take buys. Then when you see red candles, then you take sales. It has to be something that you follow. For example, me, I am trading with price action, and when it comes to price action, the first thing I really consider the first thing I really consider whenever I'm going to trade is to first understand which market I am dealing with. Am I in a bullish market? Am I in a bearish market? Am I in a sideways market? We all know if you are in a bullish market, you expect it to be going upwards. The other thing you look at is understanding market structure. We all know a bullish market, the market is forming structure in series of higher highs and higher lows. In a bearish market, market structure is formed in series of lower highs and lower lows. So you have to be continuously seeing sellers taking out the most recent low, giving you a pullback. The pullback fails to take out the most recent high, and the market continues in the bearish movement. So if that's what you're seeing, that means you are in a bearish market. You also understand if you are in a sideways market. We all know a sideways market picks a particular zone, then it bounces in between there. Honestly, sideways markets, I don't advise beginners to really be part of them, because when I was starting out to trade, it was the hardest market for me to really go and trade a sideways market. And I feel like up to now, most of my trading losses they came from trading sideways markets. And the funny thing is, if you are a beginner, you get to realize that you are in a sideways market when you have really been trying to force a lot of trades. Then after some time you do realize, okay, this could be a sideways market. It's really sometimes so hard. It is so hard to really notice sideways markets. So if you are a beginner, just always first focus on learning how to trade trendy markets. You get to also understand in trendy markets, what can I really do? Am I going to be a continuation trader? Am I going to be a reversal trader? So you first focus on one thing. If you really get to know it, then you can keep on adding other things. So the other thing I really consider when I'm trading is candlestick patterns. Candlestick patterns, they confirm for me if the market is reversing, if the market is getting into a continuation. Of course, if you are in a bullish market and the market takes out the most recent high, you're going to start anticipating buyers coming in. And if you start seeing, let me say, a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern, you see a bearish pin bar followed by a bearish candle, big body, big body. I mean, that's when you can start considering taking pullback entries. So that's how you use all the confluences in price action to really be executing. If you can follow that, and whenever you're trading, you do not just look at candlestick patterns. Always make sure to know what makes each confluence valid. If you can really picture that out in your trading, and you know, if I'm looking at candlestick patterns, to trade with a candlestick pattern and the entry should be valid, it should be in a key area. If I'm looking at market structure and the market and I'm considering break of structure, I want to see a candle closure. I want to see a candle closing above the break of structure. That's what makes market structure valid. So all those things have to be seen. But here's my number, so call me maybe. And this is crazy. Chloe, I love your new background, Ivy. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Seems like you love it here. Time to call, I took my time to fall. You gave me nothing at all, and now you're in my way. I was in my way. Just stay with golden rib sheen, skin is showing, huh? All right, I took these buys because you can see the market had taken out the most recent high. It gave us a bullish pin buy. You can see it here. This was a confirmation that buys can be taken. Yeah, this was a confirmation that I could take buys here. Just from explaining, if you understand market structure, you have to also be understanding candlesticks and how you can use them to your advantage. Okay, let us look for another move. I miss you so bad. I miss you so bad. The market is still continuing upwards, but we are starting to see some resistance. So let us watch out and see. This is crazy. If sellers are coming in, you know, when it comes to trading, you have to keep an open mindset, especially if you are on your execution time frame, guys. You have to be in your mind, you have to know that market, it has two players, both sellers and buyers, and they can all exist in the market at the same time. So you have to really be watching out. You continuously do market analysis on your charts, not just looking at one thing and you're like, okay, we are in a bullish market. You continuously do market analysis. That way it's going to be easier for you to know when to take sells and buys. Yeah, the market has two participants, so you always anticipate both can happen, but you just have to watch out what confirms a buy and a sell. Oh my god.
Climb on board. We'll go slow and high tempo. Light and dark. Hold me hard and mellow. I'm seeing the pain, seeing the pleasure. Nobody but you, body but me, body but us, bodies together. I love to hold you close tonight and always. I love to wake up next to you. I love to hold you close tonight and always. I love to wake up next to you.
Toby, good to see you guys. This is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question. We are here to learn. We are here to learn, guys. Someone is asking how many years have I spent in trading. This is my 4th year, and all I'm saying, as long as the markets are open, I'm gonna be showing up because I don't see myself not being a trader. So as long as the markets are still running and opening, I'm looking to decades and decades as a trader. So the emergence. Tell me, how many years have you spent in trading? How many years, guys, have you spent in trading, and how many are you still counting? Do you have any traders that plan to retire? Actually, at what age are you planning to retire, guys, from the markets? After how long are you planning to retire from the markets? Me, I'm still locked in. Swear you've spent 5 years. Okay. This so oh my god. Cameron, you're going to retire now. Be serious. We shan't let you retire. We are not letting you retire now. I'm not letting any trader retire this time. We still have some time to go, guys. Come on. Okay, Isabel, I can see 2 years. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm seeing 3rd year and you're going to retire. Come on, guys. Please don't retire. Who are you leaving these markets for? I thought every day we get to lock in and we are locked in for life. I'm seeing guys are planning to retire now. Be serious. Page 1 year running. Okay. I took a wedding vow with the markets, only death can do us apart. I mean, now you're talking. Now you're talking. I'm seeing someone 50 years. You guys now are really talking. But guys, any trader that is saying they are going to retire now, you must be tired, but I can assure you, please just lock in for a few times. Lock in for more years. Be serious, guys. I mean, the reason why you started trading should be the reason why you shouldn't retire.
Don't pick up the phone, you know he's only calling cause he's drunk and alone too. Don't let him in, you have to kick him out again. 3, don't be a friend, you know you're gonna wake up in his bed in the morning.
Okay guys, we are in a bullish market. You can see structure is confirming bullish movements. And guys, like I always said, when it comes to execution time frame, you should always be having an open mindset that trends do not overlast because they only be facilitating movements on a higher time frame. So if you see any single reason that the market has shifted structure and it's giving you, currently we are in a bullish market, but if the market pulls back and takes out the most recent low, I'm not going to hesitate to start thinking sellers are in the market, because such movements they only be facilitating either continuation on a higher time frame or pullbacks on a higher time frame. So you have to be knowing that, and you always keep that open mind that you easily switch from a bullish or bearish market. That's why knowing market structure is really important, and what really makes valid market structure is important. Because of that, you can easily switch your mindset from a bullish market to a bearish market by just seeing structure change.
I'm still trying to learn it, but
All right. Sellers are really starting to give us move. Let's see if they are really going to be taking this market down. I got rules.
Trying to decide if I really want to go out tonight. I never used to go out without you. Not sure remember how to. Gonna be late, but all my girls don't have.
Guys, this is a pullback move. Yeah, this is a pullback move. You can see the market has been shifted structure and it is bearish. So it gave us a bullish confirmation by just these candles, and that's why I took these buys. I'm missing you. One thing I can tell you about trading, you never get 100% certainty to execute. You never get 100% certainty to execute. So If you're following the market and you're really fully locked in, if you spot an opportunity, please execute, because whatever happens after you have executed, it is not your business and you have no control over that. Because even when you have seen every candlestick pattern and everything is aligned, the market has those moments where it can still take you down, take you out, because every moment in the market is unique. But your t-shirt. Are you trading donations today? Of course, I'm going to be trading donations. Just in a few, we are gonna get into them. And if you want to be part of the participants, it is simple. There's a donation link down in the description. You can surely use that. Nothing feels right when I'm not with you. You got stuck when I'm missing